In this video, we are going to see unboxing video of HP OmniBook 5 Blue laptop. Laptop model name is HP OmniBook 5 16BA1124TU. Laptop has Intel Core i5-1334U processor. Laptop contains 16 GB LPDDR5x-4800 RAM and storage space of 1 TB SSD. Laptop contains operating system which is Windows 11 Home and MS Office 2024. This laptop has HP True Vision 1080p FHD IR camera. Laptop battery contains 3-cell, 54WH65W USB Type-C power adapter. Laptop has Intel Iris Xe graphics. Laptop has 40.6 cm, 16-inch diagonal 2K 1920 x 1200 IPS LED display with 300 nits brightness. Laptop color is sky blue aluminum and it comes with dual speakers. Laptop ports contains 2 USB Type-A, 2 USB Type-C, 1 HDMI and 1 headphone audio jack. And other features of this laptop are backlit keyboard with numeric keypad, mic mute key and camera privacy shutter. Laptop aspect ratio is 16:10. Laptop box comes with 1 power adapter charger, 1 manual, and laptop. I bought this laptop from HP website by link is given in video description. Just a moment, laptop is started and ready to use. Now let's set up the laptop and configure its basic settings. Thanks for watching.